How to change a database user password in DirectAdmin. We assume you have already logged in to your DirectAdmin account. Now click this MySQL Management icon. This is the interface where you can create new databases and manage existing ones. Here it shows the existing databases. Click the database you wish to modify. Here are the users of this database. Click the Change Password link for the particular user. Enter the new password in the password input box and click Save. Copy and save the new database user password. Thank you for watching.